Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to use Wix AI website builder. Alright, so now here we are on Wix, and then as you can see, I'm currently logged in. I already have a site right here, but don't worry, we're going to create a new one with AI. But if you don't have an account yet, then I suggest that you go to wix.com and then sign up, click on Get Started button. It's very easy. So to get started, you need to click on this button right here. And then from here, we're going to click on Create New Site. And then from here, it should give us this prompt right here. So you can click on Start Chat so that you can set up with AI. And then first is, what do we call our site? So let's say we are an agency for YouTube video creation. So let's say YT video agency. Let's just go for something simple and generic right here. This is just for an example, by the way. So in this part of the video, I just sped up the process right here of the chat on Wix, because Wix is just asking me a bunch of questions about my website, on how I'd like to build it, and so on. And it's basically the same thing for you, but since we don't have the same website, so of course it would be slightly different. And yeah, so all you have to do basically is just answer his questions, and then you're all good, so that we can just save some time. And now, as you can see, once you are done with this one, it would reply like this. So now you're all set. All you have to do is click on Go to Dashboard. And now once you're here in the dashboard, you can see this, that welcome to your personalized dashboard. Apps, text, and images were generated by AI based on your answers, and so on. So there, you can expect the apps, text, and images right here. So now let's click on Design Site. So now we can get started in designing our website, and we're gonna click on Let Wix create a site for you. So this is where the AI would come in. So right here, we would be choosing some templates right here, some designs that we would like right here. So as you can see, we're generating and so on right here. So we just have to wait a little bit. And also, it's gonna indicate it right here on the briefing of your site, the details, and so on. And now, as you can see, it has now built our website, and this is what it's built right here. And I think it's pretty decent right here, considering this is from AI. And yeah, I think we can go continue with this one. So click on continue with this design. And then from here, you can set up your own domain. So in my case, I'll just go and let that be. And I'll just go click on continue to editor, so that we can edit our site if there are some that we would like to edit. So now it's currently loading. And let's see, adding Wix bookings and so on. All right, so here it is. So from here, as you can see, we have our navigation bar, which I think is not good considering it's placed right here and it's not all the way here. And what is this one right here? As you can see, there are incomplete navigation bars right here that was generated by AI. I don't really like this one. And then this one right here is not really related to YouTube engaging video tutorials. This is not really related. I thought it's gonna be related and so on, but this one is. So yeah, and you have the prices, the service, and our latest show reel right here. This is where we will be posting our videos and so on. I think it's pretty decent. I think it's quite good right here with what AI has created for us. I think I'm very happy with this one, except for this one right here. I didn't really like this. I wish that AI would have positioned it in the middle instead, if it's gonna be like this, just like so. And yeah, that is basically it. And then you wanna take note that when you drag an element outside the grid line, some of your visitors won't be able to see it. So make sure that you position it well right there. And then just like that, maybe something like that. And then once that's good, then you can just leave it be. And then you can also add some elements, you can add some sections if you'd want to. The same thing when you're going with the template. So you can just edit this as much as you like. But just on personal opinion is that I think templates is still better, because with templates you can pick the design that you want with the templates, and then you can use AI in your template so that it would generate the content for you, the words and so on right there. So it's basically like the same thing with this process right here, except this is a more tedious process because it took a lot more time for us to get into this website compared to a template. And there are some errors with the placing and so on. So I think templates would still be better. But overall, I think this is a very decent one. I thought it's going to be worse than this one based on what I have read in the internet, that Wix AI website builder is not really good. So yeah, I think this is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out.